Welcome to GT Tools. In this quick guide, we'll show you how to set up and use the GTSP SuperPump, ensuring seamless glass handling and secure suction every time. Before first use, fully charge your SuperPump using the included USB-C cable. The screen will show B09 charging is complete, typically in under 5 hours. Insert the SuperPump into any large brass or plastic pump-style suction cup. With universal compatibility, it works with over 30 industry-leading brands. Press the power button and let the SuperPump do the work. In just 6 seconds, it reaches full vacuum and automatically shuts off, holding suction securely. The SuperPump continuously monitors vacuum levels. If a leak is detected, it automatically reactivates to maintain a secure hold, perfect for challenging conditions. When finished, power off the SuperPump and use the suction cup's release tab to remove it. Store it safely, and it's ready for your next job. Now you're ready to use the GTSP SuperPump like a pro. For more tools and expert solutions, visit gtglass.com. Thanks for watching.